Hi, Jennifer Lessie here. We're performing task number 9. We're going to be preparing a surgical gown and towel. I have my autoclave indicator tape here, some masking tape, my Sharpie to label my indicator strip that I'm going to be putting in the middle of the gown once it's folded, towel, the drapes that I'm going to set and wrap everything in, and then I have my gown right here. I'm going to go ahead and lay my gown out on the table. I'm actually put these items over here. I'm going to lay my gown on the table front side up, so that way it's almost as if the table were wearing the gown at the moment. I'm going to do my best to stretch everything out, make it nice and flat. Lay my sleeves on the inside of the gown, draping that over. Do the same to the other side. That draped over as well. Again, pulling taut again to limit that space or that air space. Now I'm going to fold my gown over, tucking in the ties, and I'm going to make sure that this crease in the armpit is even and straight. This is going to assist in getting a nice tight wrap on that drape. Okay, got that there. Then I'm going to go to the other side and repeat that process. Then I'm folding that gown over, making sure that the tie is tucked, and I'm creasing that armpit seam right there. Okay, so that's nice there. Fold taut at the bottom. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and fold in, keeping everything again nice and tight, and then folding on this side as well. Okay, and then my tuck ties are going to be tucked right there, and then I'm going to fold over one more time. Okay. So now everything's nice and folded tight. I'm going to go ahead and do my accordion fold. Alright. So I've got a nice, neat, draped accordion style right there. I'm going to set that off to the side. I've got my drapes. I'm going to lay everything in. And I am doing 2 layers, that way I have the inside sterilized layer and then that outside layer of the wrap that is going to be touching everything else and will not be sterilized once it comes out of that autoclave. Alright, I'm going to wrap my towel, wrap it in the center, pull it out, accordion style, pull the tab, so my towel is ready to go. I'm going to get my drape, set my drape in the center, take my indicator tape, my indicator strip rather, and I'm going to put that right in the middle there. Okay. And our indicator strip has little okay, so I'm going to keep that right there. So that way we can see, visualize that pack right away, that inside was properly autoclaved and sterilized. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start the wrap. I'm going to fold over one corner. This is going to allow me to have tabs on it so I don't interfere with the sterile field once the pack gets opened. So I'm flipping down those tabs. And again, keeping nice and taut so that pack is tight. There's my tab there. And then I'm going to fold this part over from the side and wrap it underneath. Okay, and that's going to give me this side tab. So that's going to be that first tab that is pulled, and then we'll be able to open from this is the last part. Again, pulling over, leaving a tab, pulling to the side. I have that tab there. Once more. Tabs are nice and even. Okay. Then I'm going to get this top part nice and taut and put underneath. Okay. So I've got that tab right there. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it. Tape it rather. We use our masking tape. To tape it together. And then our autoclave as well. Then I'm going to label it today's date, my initials, and what it is. So it's the 14th, my initials are JA, it's a gown and a towel, and then that is all ready to go into the autoclave.